Hello and welcome. We are discussing PYQs of equations and arithmetical reasoning, and our theme is simultaneous linear equation. We have solved a lot of problems already, and we have still some more to solve. Let's solve this next problem now. It says Ina was born 4 years after her parents' marriage. Her mother is 3 years younger to her father and 24 years older to Ina, who is 13 years old. Now, see, Ina's mother is 24 years older than Ina, who is 13 years old. Okay. So, when Ina was just born, when Ina was born, at that very time, age of her mother should be 24. Because Ina's mother is 24 years older than Ina, it means when Ina was just born, age of her mother should be what? 24. Now, Ina was born 4 years after her parents' marriage. So, age of mother when she married should be 24 minus 4, that is 20. Because after Ina was born 4 years after her parents' marriage. So, when Ina was born, her mother was 24 years old. So it is damn clear that when they get married, age of mother should be 24 minus 4, that is 20. Okay. Now, age of Ina's father when he got married should be when age of Ina's mother was 20. It is given to us that Ina's mother is 3 years younger to her father. So at the time of marriage, if Ina's mother is 20, so Ina's father must be 20 plus 3, that is 23. Because Ina's mother is younger than her father, so age of her father should be more than 20. So 20 plus 3, it should be what? 23. Hence, answer of this question is option B. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. It says Sunita cuts a sheet of paper into 3 pieces. Length of first piece, let's say 3 pieces are, length of first piece is x, length of second piece is y, length of third piece is z. Length of first piece is equals to the average of 3 single digit odd prime number. Length of first piece, that is x, is equals to the average of 3 single digit prime number. What are 3 single digit odd prime number? Single digit odd prime numbers are 3, 5 and 7. So length of first piece is equals to their average. So 3 plus 5 plus 7 by 3, that is equals to 5. Now why I took 3 plus 5 plus 7? Because these are the 3 single digit odd prime number. First prime number is 2, but 2 is not odd. Second prime number is 3, 3 is odd. Next prime number is 5, 5 is odd. Next prime number is 7, 7 is odd. So these 3, 5 and 7 are 3 single digit odd prime numbers. So length of first piece is what? It is 5. Length of second piece is equals to that of first piece and 1/3 of the length of the third piece. Length of the second piece, that is y, is equals to that of first piece, which means length of second piece, that is y, is equals to x plus 1/3 of the length of the third piece. 1/3 of the length of the third piece, meaningly z by 3. Length of the third piece was z, so 1/3 of z is z by 3. This is your equation number, let's say 1. Or let's say this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. Now the next line says the third piece is as long as the other two pieces together. third piece, that is Z, is as long as the other two pieces together, which means length of Z should be equal to X plus Y. This is your equation number 3. The length of the original sheet of paper. So length of X plus Y plus Z should be the total length of the original sheet of the paper. Okay. Now let's solve these equations. From here, already just a second. Let me, what we can do here. See, we can put value of Y here. We can put value of X, value of X, that is 5 in equation 2. Put X equal to 5 in equation 2. If we do that, Y will comes out to be equal to 5 plus Z upon 3. Let's say this is our equation number 4. Now we are having Z and Y. Okay, so put Y X in equation 3. If we do that, so it becomes Z is equals to value of X is what? Value of X is 5 plus value of Y is what? 5 plus Z by 3. 5 plus Z by 3. Now Z from here comes out to be equal to what? If we solve this, so it is 2Z upon 3, because this Z by 3 on the other side will get subtracted from Z, which gonna give us 2Z by 3. 5 plus 5 is 15. Sorry, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 2 plus 5, 10. So from here Z comes out to be equal to what? Z comes out to be equal to 15. If Z is 15, then what should be the value of Y? So Z is 15. We know X is 5. So Y should be, from here Y should be what? 10. Okay. So we know the value of X. Value of X is what? Value of X is 5. Value of Y is 10, and value of Z is what? Value of Z is 15. So length of the entire sheet of paper is 5 plus 10 plus 15, that is 30. Okay, so please make a note of it. Answer is option D. I hope guys this is clear to everyone. Let's move on to the next question now. Can I erase it? Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next. This question says the sum of income of A and B. Let's say income of A is A, income of B is B. So sum of income of A and B, that is A plus B, is more than that of C and D taken together. Let's say income of C is C and income of D is D. So this is the first information which is given to us. Next is the sum of income of A and C. The sum of income of A and C is same as that of B and D taken together. Sum of income of A and C is same as that of B and D taken together. Moreover, A earns half as much as the sum of income of B and D. A earns half as much as the sum of income of B and D. Whose income is the highest? So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. We need to know out of A, B, C and D whose income is highest. Okay, let's check it out. Now I already know. See, put equation 3 into, if I do this, so replace A with B plus D upon 2, this C as it is, and B plus D. If you solve this further, you will get to know that C is nothing but it is B plus D upon 2. If you solve this is half of B plus D, this is complete B plus D. So from complete, if you subtract half, you're going to left out with what? Half only. Now I know A is also B plus D upon 2 and C is also B upon D upon B plus D upon 2, which means A and C are equal to each other. From the equation 3 we got A is equals to B plus D upon 2, and from by solving this we also get that C is equals to B plus D upon 2. A is B plus D upon 2, C is also that, so value of A and C are equal. Let's say this is our equation number 4. Okay. Now Okay, further, what we can do now, like, just give me a second. From here, I can do one thing. From here, we can do what? We can replace value of B and C. See, in equation number 1, replace A with B plus D upon 2. Plus B, and replace this C with also B plus D upon 2. Plus D. Okay, so see, on both side of this inequality, we are having B plus D upon 2, B plus D upon 2, which means B should be greater than D. Which means B should be greater than D. Okay. Now, further, moreover, A earns half as much as the sum of income of B and D. Just a second, what else we can do here? Now we already know that, so from here, see, we know that A is greater than B plus D upon 2. A is greater than B plus D upon 2. And B is also greater than D. B is also greater than D. So by combining this information and this information, I can make a statement that B is greater than A as well as greater than D. By combining this information and this information, I can make this statement. How come? See, let me give you an example. Suppose I know B is greater than D. I know B is greater than D. B is greater than D. So let's say B is 3 and D is 2. Suppose. So B plus D upon 2 gonna give me the value of A. So 3 plus 2 upon 2 is what? 2.5. B was 3, D was 2. So what is the value of A? So if A is equals to B plus D upon 2 and B is greater than D, so definitely B should be, sorry, over here it should be D here. It should be D here. So obviously I can draw this information. We can cross check and we have proved it by assumption also. See, value of B is 3, value of D is 2. B is greater than D. We have justified the given condition, and after that B plus D upon 2 gonna give me the value of A. So B is 3 plus 2. 5 upon 2 is what? 2.5. Now you can see B is still greatest and value of D is 2 and D is what? D is smallest. So if we compare B, D and A, so B is the greatest and D is the smallest. Now we know one more point, that A and C both were equal. So out of B, A, C and D, I can see value of B is what? Highest. Value of B is what? It is highest. Okay. Please make a note of it. Let's move on to the next question. A vessel full of water weighs 40 kg. So let's say weight of vessel is V and weight of water is W. When vessel is full of water, total weight is what? 40 kg. It is given in the statement. Let's say this is equation number 1. If it is 1/3 filled, if vessel is 1/3 filled, then total weight should be weight of vessel plus 1/3 the weight of water. Because if vessel is 1/3 filled, then only water will get reduced. There will be no impact in the there will be no impact in the actual weight of the vessel, empty vessel. Okay, so V plus 1/3W, its weight becomes what? 20 kg. This is our equation number 2. What is the weight of the empty vessel? So we have assumed weight of the empty vessel to be B. Let's solve these two equations. Now from the equation 1, if we subtract equation 2, so this V and V will get cancelled out. W minus 1/3W is equals to 40 minus 20, that is 20, which comes out to be equal to 2/3W is equals to 20, and 2 cancelled out with this 20, so W comes out to be equal to what? 30. What we are looking for? Weight of the empty vessel. We know that weight of the empty vessel plus water is 40, and we know the weight of complete water is 30, so V plus 30 is 40, and from here V comes out to be equal to 10. Hence the answer of this question is what? Option A. Please make a note of it. I hope guys this is clear to you. You have understood everything. This is all from my side for this video. Thank you so much.